Hi there, students. To aggrieve, aggrieve, a verb. Aggrieved as an adjective. Okay, let's see. If you aggrieve somebody, you make them unhappy, you make them angry. So it aggrieves him that he wasn't chosen for the job. Many years later, he's still aggrieved by the fact that she refused to marry him. Okay, aggrieved as an adjective, unhappy because you think you've been treated unfairly. I felt very much aggrieved because the quality of the product that they sent me was really bad. Yeah, the telephone was ringing with constantly with aggrieved customers ringing up and saying how unhappy and hurt they were, and how angry they were because they'd been treated unfairly. Yeah. Yes, the aggrieved families of innocent victims. Okay, so to aggrieve, to give pain or trouble to somebody, to inflict distress on. But I have a feeling this word aggrieve is more an emotional thing. Yeah, well, I guess I could be aggrieved by the physical injury that you caused, but aggrieved is it's a feeling. It's a feeling inside. Yeah, it's something that makes you feel sorrow and distressed. You feel very sad about the situation. To feel sorry, to be afflicted by something that's, well, it causes you unhappiness, particularly when you've been treated unjustly. Legally, you can be aggrieved is when you have your rights denied or curtailed. Yeah. So the aggrieved party may make an application to the court to rectify the situation. Okay, so I was really aggrieved that you didn't come to the party. Notice very often this verb to aggrieve, either passive, I was aggrieved, he was aggrieved, or impersonal, it aggrieved me that you did this. Okay, so most commonly using it in like that. Yeah, I was aggrieved that you forgot about my birthday. Yeah, I was distressed, I was hurt, I was injured. Yeah. The government aggrieved the rights of citizens by spying on their private lives, to aggrieve, to oppress, to persecute, to do wrong to somebody. Okay, so to aggrieve, yeah, to distress someone. It really aggrieved me that I couldn't take part in the competition, but I was ill. To aggrieve, to infringe somebody's rights, to treat somebody unjustly. Yeah, aggrieved voters complained that the government had not done what they said they were going to do. Yeah, they were aggrieved by the lies that had been told by the Prime Minister. Yeah, don't be so aggrieved. Yeah, he was aggrieved by the fact that he wasn't selected for the job, although he thought it was his. It was justly his. So this is to feel sad about something that seems unfair, unjust, unreasonable to you. Let's see, formality, to aggrieve. I'm going to give this a 6.5 in formality. I think informally, to sadden, to think something's unfair. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, just about. Semi-formal writing sounds good, a legal document sounds great, and a formal writing as well would sound very good. And then this word, well, it's related or comes from the word grieve, yeah? To feel very sad about something, to mourn somebody, yeah? He was grieving his wife's death, yeah? And that itself comes from the French, Old French, greve, to burden, to carry a burden, from Latin gravare, yeah, or gravo, uh, meaning a burden or something that oppresses you or weighs you down. Yeah, so weighed down with, and the a at the beginning, aggrieve, add to, in direction to, so towards a burden, towards an injury, towards a difficulty. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I didn't say anything in the video to aggrieve you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Aggrieve, aggrieved.